Hi, welcome to my channel Takniki Gyan Guru. Today we will learn how to create Windows VM using VirtualBox. So how we'll create? Let's get started. So first of all, we need to download a media creation tool from Microsoft official website. So here is the link. So we'll show you how we can download it. So once it is downloaded, through this media tool we have to create an ISO image. This ISO image will help us to create the Windows VM. So how we required so how we can create a ISO file? We required a running Windows machine, right? Using the running Windows machine, you can create the ISO image from the existing Windows, or you can, if you have your own ISO image from somewhere, from either from the Microsoft site or somewhere else, right? So you can use your own ISO image. So here we will show you how to create an ISO image using the media creation tool. You can skip if you already have the ISO image. And once it is downloaded, we will create the ISO image using this media tool. We will run this media creation tool and then show you how we can create this ISO image. Once it is done, then this ISO image will be used in VirtualBox. The VirtualBox will need the ISO image. Using this ISO image, it will create a new Windows machine. So this way we can create a Windows VM. So let's go for the demo. So now we are in the machine. So you as I mentioned, right, we need to go to www.microsoft.com en-in software-downloaded slash Windows 10. So once you come to this official Microsoft site, here you have two options. One is to update the Windows 10, or you can, create Windows 10 installation media. So through this tool we can create a ISO file like the Windows installation media file. So you should download it from here. I guess, okay, so it is downloaded. Now let's click on media tool. It will ask you to give the permission. So say yes. So it will open a new window. Now you should accept it. Here it will ask you two options: upgrade this PC or create installation media. So I want to create installation media, so I will click the second option and then next. Here I don't want to make any change. Click on next. Now here again two options. Either you want to create a media on some USB drive or ISO file. So I want to create an ISO file here. So it will be saved in my local drive. So it will ask where do you want to save. So here I want to save. Let's say save. So now the ISO file is ready, and it is stored in this location. So let's finish it and move to VirtualBox. Now in VirtualBox you can create a new VM. So let's click on this new. Here you have to give some name. Let's say WinDev. This is the location where the folder will be sync, and you have to choose the location where your ISO file is exist. This is the location where my ISO is saved. Now the setting is done. Go for the next. Here you can give your own virtual username, like let's say when user. Here admin at 123 admin at 3. Okay, one thing I want to highlight, we have to provide a product key. Product key is basically when you are purchasing the Windows, right? Windows 10, 11, the operating system from Microsoft. The Microsoft provides some product key. Without product key, you can't, means run your Windows, because the Linux boxes are open source, that is freely available, but Windows is not freely available. So you have to subscribe for any operating system. So I have the product key. I will put it here, right? And whatever product you have, you can put it here. So the product is given. So there are many, websites are available, though they can give you the product key, even though they are very cheap. They provide very cheap product key. You can easily get product key in maybe 200, 400, 600. Based on the website they can provide very cheap, but in the Microsoft official site you may um, you know it may be more expensive. So let's move to next. And next, hard disk. Okay, let's go back. Go back hardware and go back. Okay, this we have done. Now the hardware. Hardware is basic memories, 2 GB, right? I don't want 2 GB. 1024, 1 GB RAM and one CPU. That is fine. And disk size 50 GB. That is fine. Not an issue. And select next. This is the overview. Once it is done, then you can finish it. Now the WinDev is now power off. It is now running. One thing we need to change is, let's get it run, then we'll see. Yeah, it is running. Okay, it is saying Windows 10 Pro. Select this one, yes, and say next. Now you see the Windows is installed, and you can see the Win user. We have given the username Win user. Now you can see the Windows is ready to use. Let's press Window R and type cmd. I'm just checking ipconfig. Okay, so this is 10.0.2.15. So that means this machine is ready. That is not in my network. So for that we need to change the network. How we can do this? We can go to the VirtualBox, click on your VM, go to setting and the network. Here we need to change the host only adapter. Say yes. It will. We have to stop this machine and do that. Otherwise, it will not take change. Let's check if it will take the changes or not. By ipconfig. Now, yeah, now it's taken 92.186.56.5. It is now working, right? So your Windows machine is ready. You can do whatever you want. So let's. We have already created this VM, Windows VM. Now let's go to the slide. So we have gone through the demo. So if you have any question queries or you have stuck somewhere you want to clarify, just um, comment me. We'll definitely come back with some solution. And thank you so much for watching my video. And if you really like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also comment if you have any queries. Thank you so much. Bye.